Welcome to my tiny home. I'm throwing a dinner party for 6. 3 dishes, 6 people, 1 person cooking everything. Let me show you how easy it is to do this. The key here is preparation and organization. Start tayo the day before the party. I'm preparing my chicken sisig. I have 800 grams of chicken breast. Isi-season lang natin with salt and pepper. This goes in the air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes. For appetizers, I'm making spinach dip. Nilagay ko lang yung spinach sa food chopper with some cream. Frozen spinach yung gamit ko. I'm also using my frozen onion and garlic. Siguro this also made the preparation so much easier. If you haven't seen my garlic and onion prep, go ahead and check it out. While cooking my spinach dip, I had to flip my chicken breast din pala. Anyway, back to the spinach dip. It's so easy. You just have to add 1 block of cream cheese, mix thoroughly and wait for the cream cheese to melt. Naglagay din ako ng half bar ng processed cheese, garlic and onion powder. I also like lots of pepper and some mushroom seasoning. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng salt. This is the initial form of the dip. This gets finished tomorrow. Pagkatapos ma-air fry ng chicken, I just chopped it, and that's my night before the party. This is the day of the party. I'm just air frying some liempo. Nabili ko na pala to readily marinated. Super sarap nito and super easy to make. Twice pala ako magsasaing kasi maliit yung rice cooker ko, so I made brown and white rice. Since luto na yung chicken the day before, ang gagawin na lang is igigisa siya with some onions. So this will take me less than 15 minutes. Syempre, the day of the party, gusto ko yung preparation minimal na lang para hindi ka haggard as a host. I think that's basically it. Let me vacuum and take a shower and prepare for my guests to arrive. To save energy, I rely heavily on my gadgets to do the cleaning for me. Now comes the fun part, putting things together. Yung spinach dip, I just put it in a baking dish and add some cheese and broil it. I know this looks like a lot of effort, especially na mag-isa lang ho na ginawa lahat ng to. The thing is, I love cooking and I love hosting. And I think it's a great way to show people that you love them, you appreciate them, and you love spending time with them. Doesn't matter if you cooked 1, 2, or 10 dishes. I think what's important is you tried and you are all having a great time. And if you love videos like this, let me know kasi I'm sure I'm hosting more parties in the future.